All right. Not clear like previous. So it's better now or not? Not clear like previous. I hope it's good, guys. Little bit low. Okay. This one is fine, guys. This one is fine. Yes, still low. Let me check. Okay, good morning, everyone. Clear like previous. So it's better now or not? Not clear like previous. I hope it's good, guys. Echo now. Okay, okay. So can you give me 2 minutes? Let's restart and I joining, guys. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Yes. So I will let me I can see my microphone has not able to breaking voice. Yeah, I can understand. I can understand. Sir, your voice is clear. Okay. But a lot of them are saying it's not clear. Yes. I hope it's good, guys. Good morning. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, so guys, I'm just give me 2 minutes. I'm just restarting and then I'm joining again. Okay. Yeah, it's audible, but I want to join again. Uh, okay, so everyone can hear it. All right, team. Okay, so thank you. It's better now, team. Please answer me. Is it fine? Yeah. So let me share the screen. Yes. So let me share it now. Okay, thanks for your time. So today's workshop, it's another session on Agentic AI. So we already taken few sessions earlier on Agentic AI, like LangChain agents, Crew AI, and Phi data. Now it has been converted to EGNO. So Hugging Face launched its new light agents called SmolAgents. So in today's session, we discuss all these things like what exactly SmolAgents, how we set up, and how we build an autonomous agent. We'll understand in today's session. So before we go ahead, so let's start today's sessions. And are you seeing my screen? Please confirm me. Are you seeing my screen, everyone? Yeah. Okay, that's great. So little discuss about small agents before, and then we start the project, start the practical. And 2025 is all about agentic AI era. So 2025 is all about the agentic AI era, guys. Okay. So I just wanted to know, so how many of them completely new? How many of them completely new? So I don't want some of my existing students. I just want the new students who has beginner level of things. So if you're beginner, no problem. So this session is on a recording on YouTube. It's live. So I'm new. Okay, Venkat. So no problem. So if possible, you can work with me, and if not, then you can understand today's sessions, guys. Okay, and then I will share you some of the new students, all right, the new learners in today, new learners. If some of the time, some of the concept, if you feel not understand, if you feel not understand, no need to be worry, no need to worry, because I will share, I will share the previous recordings. I will share the previous recording so you can watch it and you can understand everything. You can understand everything, guys. All right? Everything. Pretty clear, online team? Okay. So the first one, I just take quick, I will share my introductions. You can refer to the LinkedIn pages. You can refer to my LinkedIn where you can connect to me for any further suggestions, query, and all those things, guys. So here, let's go back and try. So you can refer to my LinkedIn, the one who already there, that's fine. And yeah, so Venkat and whoever new learners, you can click the link and you catch me on LinkedIn for any further issues, for any questions you have, which you wanted to feel to have discussed on one-on-one basis. I'll share this, guys. You can connect me LinkedIn for any further discussions or one-on-one discussions and all those things, guys. Pretty clear? Okay. So let's continue. We don't wait too much. Let's start, jump into the topic. So this is one of the agentic AI is very new trending technology, because my many students working with these agentic AI platforms, and also I will share this slide PowerPoint slides to you where I can have the playlist over here. In the sixth playlist I will share to you after the class, I will share my GitHub where you can find out all the previous lectures, which is freely, so that you have good idea about what is Gen AI, what is data science, okay, how to build a model. All those things is covered in this 5 playlist, guys. Okay, so I will share this, or if any of your friends want to learn this, and you can watch this, guys. Clear this part. Next one, so we talk about, I will share later, so I will share all the previous playlist about Gen AI,
about Gen AI and LLMs, Agentic AI, all those things, guys. Okay, I already discussed. I will share all the playlist. I will share my GitHub. I will share my GitHub where you can follow that. Okay, good. So I want to join this course offline. Yeah, so this is workshop is not going. The course is going to be offline. When the sessions will begin, you get a notifications. Okay, Mr. BSR. Third point. Next one. Just go to the third point. So what is agentic AI? So I was talk about earlier because what is marketing versus digital marketing, guys? What is marketing do? I mean, 5 years back, 10 years back, when somebody market for your business, so they have to physically present and they make do all the hoardings and all those things. But digital, YouTube link, please. Okay. So YouTube link, you can find out the live YouTube link. You can share to your status or you can share to your friends, guys. Let's share it. Okay. So today's session is completely theory and practical. Uh, Raj, can you check the YouTube link? Okay. I hope it's working. Yeah. So today's session is theory and practical. I just don't take much theory. We just have little understand about how small agents work. So being a non-technical, how I can explain this digital agents. What is marketing, guys? In marketing means, in existing days, a person is available to make a lot all these things. And digital marketing, everything happened using online. You can market to your product entire worldwide using digital marketing. So the same way, in normally we can have agents versus digital agents. So what is meant by digital agents? What is meant by agents? For example, if you in your house they have some lot of agents is working for you. For example, you hire a 5 agents for your task. So one person can go and book the tickets for you, another person go and just bring the items for the home. So multiple agents can do multiple tasks. Okay. So in company, digital agents also works like that, works like exactly similar like this, guys. Okay. So these agents will do the task automatically. These agents will do the task automatically. So that's called, we called as autonomous agent automatically. So that's why we called as autonomous agent. Autonomous agent. Okay. So let's understand this because last week also we done workshops on agentic AI 5 data. So agentic AI is AI system that can take independent actions, make decisions, and complete task without see. In 2025, every companies want to create their own frameworks. All right. So most of the company is doing research in the world. In the world, most of the organizations they spend time on the researching and they implement their product, they implement these trending concepts in the project. So that's why you see in every organizations lot of layoffs are going on. You know, guys, who is layoff? This agentic AI technology, okay, work like 10 to more people work, guys. Okay. So more people work or more employee work. So when one agents can work more employee work, so there's no use a company can pay you for an employee and keep it in the company. So being a IT professionals, so everybody has to must this agentic AI concept. So this is what trending right now. All right. Yeah. So agentic AI plans, reason, execute task on its own. Everything it's done by its own. So these agents integrated with LLMs, integrate with LLMs, and they build the task. They do the automations, automatic task, guys. Okay. For a projects, for a task, for a use case, whatever it may be, for use case or project. Okay. Seventh one. So what exactly the agents we have? For example, Auto GPT, Baby AGI, LLMs, large language model. Shukla, ChatGPT is a large language model. Understand? Yeah. So this course is for beginners. Mr. What's your name? Olvera. Yeah, you can use this for beginner, medium, and expertise. Beginner can also learn this course. All right. Yeah. So this is not a course. In a data science course, this is one of the new technology launched in the world. Mr. Clear, what's your name? Adventures. Okay. So self-driving car, AI personal assistants, stock trading bots. Now, if you see many, when you open YouTube's, most of the stock traders, they try to automate the stock because they depends on more AI bots to helps their stocks buying and selling based on AI give the decisions based on that. A stockers can follow the AI given decisions and they use their stocks to the company. All right. Yeah. So I hope understand. So how does agentic AI works? Okay. So for example, you have a car driver. So what do you tell to the driver? Hey driver, can you make me and drop to the place? So he will drop. As same things, this is digital agents will work the task you if you assign the task will done for you. Before the task, it will plan and strategy. It breaks task into steps and finds the best way to complete them. So end of the story, the task has to be complete. So it take actions, execute task independently. For example, how exactly task searching the web, sending emails, making decisions, everything it will done by these agentic AI frameworks, guys. So it automatically learns, improves over time. So that's why agentic AI most follows agentic AI most follows reinforcement learning. See, beginners, if you heard about these new technologies, so you have to learn, guys, because entire 5 to 6 months knowledge you cannot learn in one class, all right? But you have to be little patient to understand. And you heard this new trending technology because agentic AI follow reinforcement learning. Okay, so why is agentic AI special? Because it take the autonomous decision making, works without constant instructions, multi-step task handling, self-learning. Agentic AI like assistant that doesn't just follow orders, it thinks, plans, and acts on its own by get things done. Did you clear, guys? So did you clear everyone? I hope you understand what exactly the things. Okay, Venkat, clear. Utkarsh, understand what is LLM? Chat GPT. You use Chat GPT. Okay, so the students who listen this session, I hope you clear what exactly agentic AI does. It's very simple. Agentic AI is a agents who listen who listen the when for example you're a master, you assign the task to a agent. Now agent will do, isn't it? Everything will do by itself. So that's called agentic AI. Okay. Next one, in this world there are a lot of agents in the market. Langchain, Langgraph. So I already built previous, this part is done. Phi data, Phi data is framework which now changed to egno agi this part we completed. Crew AI, we already completed. Now the small agents launch this AutoGen, N8N, Grok 3, Manus AI. Have you heard about Manus AI, guys? Auto GPT, Baby AGI, AutoGen. So all the frameworks are free. Okay, Karthik, everything is a free. Everything is a free. All right, using this frameworks, anyone can build agents for the projects, for the task, and for a company. Clear, guys? So we have these many agentic AI frameworks, and we don't know in future what are the new tools has launched by the companies. Pretty clear, guys, what is agentic AI frameworks? So today we learned what is agentic AI. So what is agents and what is agents and what agents can do and what agents can do. Okay, next one. The ninth one, the ninth one, agentic AI framework. Agentic AI framework. So in today's session, I will introduce Hugging Face. Hugging Face SmolAgents. It has launched recently. So recently, and we try to working on this projects, guys. Okay. What is meant by SmolAgents? A lightweight agentic AI framework. SmolAgents is a lightweight, simple, and efficient AI agent framework designed to help AI models automatically plan and execute tasks with minimum complexity. Okay, so for example, lightweight means there's no heavyweight model. It's a lightweight model, so everyone can use, everywhere it can fit with all platforms, everywhere you can build this small agents, guys. So that's what we're gonna do, the practical. Unlike heavy agentic frameworks like AutoGPT, Baby AGI, small agents focus on simplicity, efficiency, task automations, easy to use and lightweight, doesn't require heavy computing power. What is meant by heavy computing power? To build large language model, you require GPU machines and you require like high processor, so to run the model very faster. But this one lightweight means it doesn't require, the thought AI isn't can autonomic calculate ITR. Yes, Utkarsh, it can do everything, will do ITR. So that's what you see, more layoff will be going on. Okay, more layoff is going on. So there are new agentic AI. I think I forgot to mention is OpenAI operator. OpenAI operator also. I forgot to mention this. So this is OpenAI operator, also one of the agentic AI. So there are still a lot of the agentic AI in upcoming market you can see in around the world. Okay, clear, guys, what is small agents? So today, just intro to small agents. Intro to small agents. Everyone clear, guys? So small agents is nothing but it is a lightweight. It is a lightweight and efficient to build agents, okay, with less computing power. It doesn't require any heavy computing power. All right. Yeah. All right. Best and effect framework to build AI agents. Right. Right. Best performance. Yes, Varsha. Okay, so how small agents work? For example, being a master, I will assign a goal. Okay, being a master, for example, you are a master here. So you are a master. You assign a goal. To whom you assign a goal? To the agents. What is goal? So this agents receive a goal and the users provide an object. So breakdown. So what agents will do? The break down the task into steps and it will convert to subtask, execute the plan autonomously. It takes actions with minimal user interventions and refining outputs, guys. For example, every in your family, either your mom and dad has given some task. Would you divide the subtask and do proper planning and give the work and complete successfully or not, team? Please answer me, isn't it? So everyone, if you receive any task from your mom and dad, so you do the task and you make the task into subtask and you know which is better, which is good, and you plan accordingly and you complete the output and the task will complete, isn't it? The same way, how do we know which framework we go for? Okay, Venkat, based on company, based on use case. All right, based on use case, based on use case, based on projects, you can do this. All right. So Venkat, how do you know which vehicle you will drive on different scenario? Correct, Venkat? So you have multiple vehicles. You know, don't know when to drive which vehicle, isn't it? Answer me. The same way, the based on the practice, based on the experience, based on the project, based on the use case, you get to know which one you can drive, which you know this. Okay. So how to learn this from scratch? Shivam, to learn this from scratch, you have to join the class. You have to join the course. Okay, Shivam? Okay, please listen the things. Next one. Okay, where we use this use case is regional AI assistant, autonomous automatic daily task like scheduling. What is meant by scheduling, people? Every month, the mobile is automatically updates or not? Every month, your mobile phone is automatically update, guys. Okay, the same things, Gemma 3, GCP main. Virish Patel, can you please wait? Yeah, I can see your questions. I can, okay, Shivam, I answer your questions. I hope you're clear. NA10 versus GCP Vertex AI. So Virish, very simple, buddy. Microsoft versus Apple. What is mean by that? So different company produce different platforms. So these are new to the market. So in today's sessions, we try to use one framework. Okay, Virish Patel and Shivam. Okay. Use cases of small agents. We can see personal AI assistant, research, web scraping, content generations, coding assistance, everything we can do this, guys. Okay. Why we use small agents? It's minimum setup. It's lightweight and it's very fast compared to other frameworks. It's easy to integrate. It can integrate with any platforms like GPT-4, LangChain, OpenAI, Hugging Face, and other APIs. So do you see this is official websites? You can log into this official websites. If you refer to this small agents, Bolt New AI. So this is the way deep research built by small agents free. You can refer this platforms. Tarun, we can build real-time applications. Yes, we can build real-time applications with small agents as well. So you can refer to this small agents organizations. You can find all the details, small agents, AI agent framework. Do you see this, guys? This is one of the AI agent. Hugging Face, new agent framework. Create, please tell me the codes. Utkarsh, try to listen first, then you will ask your questions. Okay, Utkarsh? I am explaining one content. Please listen the content first, and then I will talk to you. Very clear? So, small agents. So, what is small agents? It's one of the AI agentic framework where you can build a new agents, guys. So, these are deep research built, but these are companies, Forbes, Weird. This is all the news channels where you can create this multiple agents, guys. Okay. So you can turn your idea into app. So build me one app. You can write any content here. Okay. Can you create one app here? So can you create one, because turn your data into app. So I'm trying this. Can you build app for, okay, for AI? Can you build an app for, okay, ticket booking? Let's, okay, let's call calculator. Yeah, calculator. Just try this. So coming may take 15 seconds. So let's wait. Best AI coding to tool free now. So this is what, okay, let's doing it. In the meantime, I'll open a few more concepts on agents. Hugging Face blog announcement. You can see all the details. Okay, it is loading. Do you see this, guys? The code is automatically running or not? When you write based on your, I write a prompt, I write a query in the prompt. Can you build a app to make a calculator? And when you check, calculator is created. 7 plus 8. Okay, 7 plus 8 equal 15. Amazing. Guys, are you understand or not? There is no coding, nothing else. So if you purchase this, a company purchase this one and automate the task or not? Are you guys clear what is meant by agentic AI in real life applications? How many of them understand? How many of them understand? You want to try to test it? Okay, Virish Patel, just calm down, man. We'll see the practical as well. Are you guys clear or not? Why you so much hurry? Why you so much hurry? So we'll all those things. So today I am saying, you see one app that how exactly a simple calculator app has created the agents, guys? Yes or no, team? Please answer. Great. So you can write anything. I can share this document. You can refer to that and you can follow it. Clear, team? Fantastic. This, okay, chart, no Kavya, chart bot. You cannot create this app. GPT can create the content. All right. GPT can create the content. Okay. For example, if I go to chart.openai.com, all right. And here it is created a front end as well. It is created a front end, either chart bot. I'll ask the same questions. Can you build an app for calculator? So what exactly saying that? Kavya, you understand the difference between agentic AI and see? So in chatbot, I ask same questions. Can you build a app for calculator. So what is GPT saying? Sure, do you want to basic calculator, standard arithmetic? Do you need something more advanced? Like, it is asking user to select any command, all right? But if you see the agents, it didn't saying anything. It's automatically take query, and I'm a master. I assign a task to the agents. Yeah, is this cost free? Yes, this is cost free. And if you check this, the calculator has been developed. Kavya, clear? Guys, are you clear? What is difference between Gen AI and Agentic AI practical? You see the responses, even though this GPT has never created like this, but you have to choose other model. Which other model? OpenAI operator to select this and build this type of app. Okay, clear. So the next one. So here, okay. So GitHub repositories. So I will tell you how to GitHub repositories. This is SmolAgent's GitHub. SmolAgent library that enables run powerful agents, few lines of code. We do that. Okay, we do that. All those things right now. How to install, how to work with this. So what is this architecture? If you little refer this architectures, user assign a task. Okay, add a task to agent memory. Okay, so because Python is object oriented programming language, guys, and also the user task add task agent dot memory, and it react loop. Okay, what is react? Reason of act. In prompt engineering you have this, and this memory will memory a chart messages generate from agent dot model, and it puts the output to extract code from the the so that's what we're going to do the practical. And then if you don't call final answers, you get this. So call to if you get the answers is received. So finally here two things I wanted to tell. Agent dot memory, it works. Chart message and agent dot model. So again, user task, agent memory, okay, and then chart message. This chart message integrate to the Gen AI model here. This chart message integrate to the LLM model here, and then agent dot model works, and it print the output and it generate the output. If you don't get output, again it fetch the data from the memory and keep things repeat, and finally you can get your response, guys. So this is architectures has created by this one. Clear, guys? So we'll do the practical now. Let's continue. So next one, last one, documentations. Let's little refer the documentations you have. SmolAgents documentations. Yes, you can use freely, but in organizations, if organizations never use freely, yeah. So organizations never use freely. So in company, they will pay for you. You can use that. It's not a big problem. All right. Isn't a is base specific skill. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Shivam, pretty clear now. So this part we discussed. In today's session, what are the parts we completed? Introduced myself, what is agentic AI and how does agentic AI works, some of the examples, some of the agentic AI frameworks, and then we introduce some of difference between generative AI and agentic AI. And today we do two projects, guys. Test the small agents and project to build code. So okay, so let's do the practical. So everyone, so in this today's practical, there's a two projects we're gonna do. Let's first projects. We test the small agents now. We test the small agents. The IDE which I'll be use is VS Code. So let's open, and we are using Hugging Face API key, Hugging Face API key, and then I will use Google AI Gemini API key, Google AI API key. Okay, so let's start the projects, guys. Can anyone, please, everyone, open VS Code? Shall we continue the practical, guys? Please response. Please response, everyone. Yes, I got it. Clear. So let's open the VS Code now, and here, just Visual Studio Code. In this VS Code, try this, and let me close. Okay, so if you don't create a new folder. Create a new folder. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Why I'm getting this error? 2 minutes. Okay. So I open a new VS Code. Open a VS Code. And before we start this project, before you start this projects, the first one, I want everyone to generate Hugging Face API key or auth token. So how many of them Hugging Face auth token? So if you don't have, create one Hugging Face auth token. So the first one, just go to the Google and then here, okay, please copy the Hugging Face auth token. So try write huggingface.com. Can you log into the huggingface.com? Can you please log into the huggingface.com? Okay, Virish, please start work. All right. So the first thing is, let's go here and we try to model. Just go to the pricing and here go to setting and click on the setting, access tokens and confirm. Just 1 second. It's confirming. You can create a new token, guys. So let me know how many of them done. So this is what already I token created 2 days ago, or I can also create a new token. I think, yeah, you have to sign up. You have to sign up, guys. How do you sign up? The way you log into the, Gmail, all those things. You can sign up. You can also create new tokens like that. Click on the create new tokens. Write any token names like Agentic AI, or maybe I can say as build agents, Agentic AI. And after that, please user permissions, take all these permissions, accept all the permissions. Please do it. I'm working with you. Please do it. Please do it. Let me know once you created. Let me know once you're done. Okay, the one who already had, that's fine. The one who already had, that's fine. That's not an issue. So just go back and, okay, and then create token. Let's create a token. I'll create my new token. Let me copy the token and come to the notepad and let's say API key, Hugging Face auth token, HF. I'll paste it here. Everyone clear? Please let me know. I just want you to, so permission is done. Let's done. Okay. So I created new tokens, guys, now. So I think we need to, yes. Okay, that's great. So finally we created a auth token. Finally we created an auth token and please give the permissions. Please give the permissions and give the permissions. Permissions. Okay. Auth token created. So next one, can you please create Google API key? Can you please also the next one, we can check the Google API key. So refer to the API key. For example, I'll minimize it now. And again, go to Google and type Google API key. Just log into the Gemini API or just open Gemini API key automatically. You will get to that. And or you go to Google AI Studio And then do you see get API key? I will try to share this link in the chat window. Try this. So there's a two API key you have to create to build this model. The first one, small agents, is built by Hugging Face. Small agents are built by Hugging Face. So that's the reason we need to create Hugging Face auth token. Okay, this is one part. The second one, so these agents should integrated to LLMs. So which LLMs are open source right now? ChatGPT is a paid applications, Gemini, and then Llama, okay, and then Llama. So these two models are open source. Okay, so that's why we need to get the Gemini API key as well. So to go to the Google AI Studio one more time and then get API keys and get API keys. I got almost API key. You can create API key and copy the API key and paste here, guys. So this is two API key. So this is my Gemini API key. I copy and paste it here. So two API key I have, guys. So the first one, this is my Hugging Face API key, and this is my Google API key. So let's go back and select up for this data science. Giribabu, last time also you joined. Okay, I will tell you later all these specifications. Okay, you can purchase minimum 8 GB RAM laptop based on your budget. Okay, whatever budgets you have, you can purchase. It will work. All right, buddy. So this is my Hugging Face API key auth token, and this would be Gemini API key. This would be Gemini API key. So I want you to, everyone have to get the two API key. May I know how many of them done, or anyone face any issues? Anyone face any issues, guys? Also use entropic AI model. Also use why you need entropic AI model viral. You can use any one model, right? Why you use two model? You can use if you want. Okay. Next one. Giribabu, are you clear? Entropic Cloudy 3.3. Okay, that you can. There are a lot of LLMs, guys. But these LLMs, as user friendly, everyone can use, everyone can done the task. All right. Yeah. If you want to use, you can use after the session. Clear, Mr. Giri, Mr. Viral, the one who asked a question. Okay. So guys, how many of them completed? Due registrations, no, Karthik, you are new, so maybe you can do it later. No problem. The student who not able to understand, don't do it now. Just listen and maybe you can do it later. Okay. So we created the two API key now. So one is Hugging Face and one is Gemini API key. So let's open VS Code. Let's open VS Code IDE. And in this VS Code, let me go here. I want to create a folder. Yes, done. Very good. So I want to create a folder. So I'll make it 0 and I can say the small agents. Okay. I made put it as capital letter, small agents created. All right, guys. The next one is what exactly happened. The small agents are the two API key we captured and then we created the small agents. Okay. All right. Let's continue now. Let's do the first code. Right click, new file. I'm saying I want to test.ipynb. Test.ipynb. So what is test? I want to test my small agents, whether it will work or not. So first thing, you need to pip install small agents and you execute that. So please install the small agents. I already installed it. So that's why not required. So please install this. Please install this. Pip install SmolAgents. Please install this and let me know how many of them done. So dear student or dear learner, please install the SmolAgents library. Okay. And after you're done, please update me. How to train model a custom data to get accurate output. If you have custom data, Sandeep, you can use machine learning, deep learning, right, Sandeep? All right. The question itself wrong, Sandeep Kumar. Train model for a custom data. Okay. So custom data you can use like Olama. I already done previous workshop. EDA automation, you can refer to that. So that's what I will share the all previous workshop link. You can refer to that. All right, Mr. Sandeep Kumar. Okay. So please answer me. If you're not doing, I'll continue the next step. So the first one I already installed. After installed, just exclamatory. Okay, just done. So please create your base, and I already done this now. Okay, so the next part is we'll go for import OS and OS dot environment. I want to set up environment as Hugging Face token. So I just download a token, right? So just go here and I will fetch my token over here. Let me copy and then I paste here and then execute. Okay. So execute the token and I have to call my small agents now. So small agents. Okay. So maybe it's already installed, but I want to try this one more time. Let's do this. Pip install small agents. Do it. So please work. Okay, requirement already satisfied. That's great. And then execute. Done this part. Great. I'm sorry. So I think I have to hash it. Just hash it. Okay. Now run. Great. Now Hugging Face. So small agents import. Okay. I want to code agent. This is, and then I want to use one tool, DuckDuckGo search tool and Hugging Face API model. Okay. So we want to generate a code as we do in a coding code.agent. If you see in this agent, this tools call the formulated LLM in code format. Okay. So you see this in concept here. The code will calls LLMs, the code format, DuckDuckGo search. This is the way Google, what you do in Google, guys. In Google, you can fetch all the content or not. DuckDuckGo search tool is an API where the agent will search the tool and fetch the content, whatever the task asked by the user. So next one, just call it. Just call it. All right. And then we call Hugging Face API model. Okay. So this model we called, and I have to create a variable. Let's call model and oops. And then here I want to create one agent, and that code agent, it fetch the model and which Hugging Face search API tool DuckDuckGo. That's great. Let me execute. It's done. Okay. Anything is wrong? All right. So model, I got some error. Why? Let's, rather than model, I can use tools. That's great. And search tools. I will remove the tools and let's put them into a square brackets. Okay. So rather than here, that's great. So now let's try. Great. It works now. Okay. So code agent tools, we connect to the DuckDuckGo tool and we fetch to the model. And then let's agent.run. I want to ask the questions difference between human brain versus and, or maybe and, okay, and here machine brain. Okay, just execute. Great. Do you see the agents? I mean, so here it is working or not? Let's check this, guys. Execute logs, human brain. So when I write human brain using DuckDuckGo search, it fetch the content from Wikipedia and it give the information. Generative AI doesn't generate a content, but Agentic AI, with the help of DuckDuckGo search tool, it went to the Wikipedia, this website, and directly fetch the content. Okay, and brain anatomy and how the brain works by Johns Hopkins. So it's these content fetch from this website. Do you clear what is agentic AI? You know what is meant by lightweight? So lightweight means anyone can work. How many of them has completed? How many of them has completed? Just follow me what I'm doing it. Follow me what I'm doing it. Follow me what I'm doing it. How many of them done? Control save it. Please save the code. Please save the code. Please save the code. Great. Can we get this recording? Yes, Sai. It is already given in the YouTube live. I will share this YouTube live. So, guys, every week I'm doing all these workshops because this is advanced now. Every company, they are provide training to their employee to learn these skills. And Naresh IT, I am delivering free workshops. I should say you must need to be learned and you have to share and motivates Naresh IT and the sessions as well. So I would request, so if you really liked it, so please, give your likes and at most comments and share to your friends and subscribe to NIT, guys. All right. And you can update most of new contents you will get from me. All right, guys. So here, how many of them done this code? How many of them done this code? So this is live link. I'm sharing. Code Darshankant. Good morning. You joined now? Okay, just go to the code. Just go to the code. First one. Did you write this code? Pip install SmolAgents. Are you completed, people? Are you completed? Please answer me yes or no. Great. So getting error. We done. Yep. Yes, Venkat, just wait. So who's got client error? Pip router Quen. No. Okay. Internally it called Quen model. So Quen model. So that means you don't give permissions, guys. So dear student, whoever generate the auth token, please give the permissions. How do you give the permissions? Go to click this API key and give the go to setting. So token, how to generate? Just now I already Yamini the same way. Hugging Face auth token Yamini. Hugging Face auth token. Just go here. Excellent, Senapathi sir, for your efforts. Thank you, Ajay. I really appreciate if your comments and likes in YouTube this video. Okay. Sir, access token is not showing under billing. Why you go for billing? Click on access tokens, dear. Create a new tokens. No need to go to billing. No need to go to billing. Just go to access tokens. Okay. So guys, this is okay. Let me show the code. Let me show the code. All agents are making decisions searching the what is different for other frameworks in agents. Ramakrishna, what a questions, buddy. Okay, see, every people are staying in the house. All right, every human beings are staying in the house. Then what is matter to build a 3344 house, Ramakrishna? So because try to understand based on different situations, different scenario. So the same things you work in a company, it will do automatic things done. So that's why most of the companies are lay off the employees. Understand, Ramakrishna? Every companies are doing layoff. Then don't learn then. I mean to say, everyone write a code. Java also write a code. .NET also write a code. All right. C++ also write a code. Python also write a code, guys. Then what is meaning of to write a different code? Because these codes will be different way it uses. Am I clear, everyone, people? Okay, great. Thank you, Ramakrishna. Can you please share GitHub? No, I haven't uploaded the GitHub yet. After complete the projects, I will upload in GitHub. Okay. So done, team, now. So today, can you ping tech code? Okay, how can I? Okay, do one thing. I can ping it, guys. Okay, you can use your auth token. Could you please share how Hugging Face connected to Google Gemini? Raghav, in this, I will do another projects for that. This is the first we test the code, Raghav. All right. Is it DuckDuck? No, no, no. Raghav, good question. DuckDuckGo search is an API. I didn't connect. So SmolAgent's code agent library is internally connected to Hugging Face. Okay. And it fetch Quen model. Have you seen Quen? Who created Quen, guys? Anyone? Who created Quen LLMs? Alibaba, right? Who created Quen, guys? Alibaba. Yeah. Raghava, clear now? Yeah. So that means what happened? So internally, the when you say Hugging Face auth token and when mention code agent, the SmolAgent's framework itself integrated with Quen. SmolAgent's framework itself integrated with Quen. DuckDuckGo search is an API, and we connect the API Hugging Face, and I write a small questions, and finally I fetch my content here. So I can write, let me add a few more code now and then try this. Also, I will create from SmolAgents import tool. Please ping the current code, sir. Yeah, I will do it. Please wait, tool calling agents. Which one I will use? Tool connections, tool. Okay, so tool calling agents. Okay, no, DuckDuckGo I don't want. Let me call this. And now I will create one, let's say, tool calling agents and tools. And again, okay, DuckDuckGo search tool. And I will remove this, comma, model equals to model. All right. So I'm going to, let's execute. Oh, I think it's working. Do you see this, guys? This is a calling tool and great. Now the model is running, guys. And check this one. Calling tools. It's internal. It's called Quen model. And I want to check this, how it works. Great. I got a proper response, final answers. You can copy the response, and this is the way the agentic AI works here. So, but rather I want to do little changes in this code as well. One difference between, okay, so rather than model, 2 minutes, guys, I will Control X. Okay. So let me execute now. Okay, great. Now, sorry, I have to create a variable. It's better. Let's create a variable tool agents equals to, that's call again, and tool agents dot run agentic AI. I will tell you agentic job market in 2025. Okay, let's fetch it by it internally call Quen model and try to get this data, guys. Great, it responds now. Just wait for some time. Okay, I will share you the code. So the first one, Control S, file, save. Have you tried this, everyone? Let me check. Yes, great. So how many of them completed? Anyone completed? So guys, are you understand what is difference between in practically We'll try to understand how exactly the agentic AI is interact. We use one framework called SmolAgents, and the SmolAgents fetch the content for us, and all those things done. So we create, okay, how do I share? I will create my GitHub after that class, and I will share this code one by one. Please refer to this. Now, let me copy, and first one, pip install SmolAgents, everyone. This is the first code, okay? And after install, this is the first code, and second code, you call your API key, just 2 minutes. You call your API key here, okay? Import OS, enter this. This is second code, and copy. This is third code, and then I will share my GitHub later, because after this is fourth code, and this is fifth code. That's it. 5 lines of code we build. That's what it's called, light agents, guys. In depth. So this is DuckDuckGo search would helps you. DuckDuckGo search would helps you to, it's an API where it fetch the data from you know, what guys, like search tool. It's one of the search tool. Okay, I shared this code and I'm save my file. Let's go to, I want to create another file called, let's see the next projects which I want to build as, I want to create one app.py. Okay, or maybe I can say like a, okay, all right, not py. I can right click and rename to ipynb. Just follow this. Okay, now let's go to the code. Control S. Okay. So whoever not completed, no problem. Just listen to the sessions and maybe you can do it later. Let's continue. I want to create one. Now in first code, we test SmolAgents. It's working fine using help of Hugging Face. Let's continue. Import OS and import light LLM. Import Gradio. What is Gradio, guys? Gradio is one of the front end UI. Import SmolAgents, AGENTS, import as we done. Okay, code agent, because we already write the code. Code agent, comma. Okay, it's better. I will copy from here. I'll copy from here. Where is that? Go up. Let's copy and here paste it here. Okay. And sorry. So import code DuckDuckGo search. I'm not use Hugging Face now. I'll use light. Okay. LLM model, not Wikipedia tool. So this 4 libraries enough. 3. So OS operating system light LLM. So we'll use light language model, because if you refer to the Google Gemini AI, just go to Google AI Studio, and there are few models which we have, like light LLMs, Gemini 1.5 Flash. So go to Google and Gemini AI, just right click and open it, and oops, Google DeepMind. Just Google DeepMind Gemini. If you see, we have list of the Gemini models. So it was 2.0 flashlight, 2.0 flash thinking, 2.0 flash. But before that, we can use Gemini 1.5. It was light versions, guys. So those tools we are using here. So import OS, light LLM, Gradio, and SmolAgents, code agents, DuckDuckGo, and light LLM, light LLM model. Okay, I think this is not tool. LLM and model. Okay, Karthik, you are a beginner. I know you will get error. No problem. Maybe after the class, you can follow that. All right, buddy? So no need to worry. Yeah. So developer means will get error, guys. If you can't fix error, then in company, every projects will complete in 1 day only, right? Yes or no? So generative AI. So generative AI is Gen AI. That's great. That's good. So let's execute now. 3.11.7. Okay. So import OS, that's fine. Light LLM, that's fine. Gradio SGR, small agents. Why we got as Gen AI? Any spelling is wrong, guys. I'm sorry. It's not from import. Okay, import. Execute now. Let's wait. Okay, we just wait for some time. Great. So light LLM dot light LLM dot. I want to let's say debugger mode, because I want to active the debug mode to check, because this options would enable debugging, useful for troubleshooting. If I got any error, it will recommend me that what error we would got this, guys. Now I already have a Gemini API key, so let's create a environment. So I'll create a okay Google API key. So I'm sure you must have Google API key here. So just copy. This is my Google API key. Have you created Google API key? Just created the Google API key and just gen Google API key. No. Okay. If you don't know how to create, I already told you how to create, Kiran. Why you didn't create? You say no. But why you didn't create, Kiran Kumar? When you say no, why you didn't create? Very simple, buddy. Go to the Google. Go to the Google. Right here, go Google and write here Gemini API key. Login. Okay. Click this. Click this. And go to Google AI Studio. Great. And from there, all right, get API key. And then create API key. And this API key will create it. So for Lightel model, we need to pip install. No need to pip install anything. No need to do pip install anything. Okay, Shabash Sheikh. Please, Kiran, do it now. All right. So learn how to create API key now. All right. So I want to create GenAI dot configurations. So it's asking for pip install Lite. Oh, is it asking? Please install then. If it's asking, so yes, for Gradio Lite, we have to pip install. Please do it, guys. If it's install pip install, please do it, guys. So request if it is asking, if it is asking for installations, then please install it. Okay, please install it. That's okay, no problem. So yeah, pip install Lite LLM. That's fine. So I fetch my API key. Let's execute. So here in this code, I refer to the Lite LLM, Gradio, small agents, code agents, DuckDuckGo, and Lite LLM. This part is clear, and we debug it. So we call. So which LLM I'm using now, guys? Google API key. But small agents already has inbuilt Quen model. Do you see Quen? Do you see Quen, guys? Quen, this is another LLM which construct on 32-byte, 32B instruct. So this one has API key. That's great. So after we created, next, let's initialize the model as it is a light model. So light LLM models and tab, enter here. So model ID. So I get my Gemini model ID flash. I know this, guys, because I built a lot of practical before. So I know which model Gemini hyphen 1.5 hyphen, okay, flash. This is the model we have, okay? And then API key equals to, so os dot get env. So rather than Hugging Face API key, I fetch my Google API key here. Just control, hold on. No. So, okay, Google API key. All right. So 3 things. So I can fetch my from this Google API key and execute. Great. So these 3 things has done. So environment, model, light we covered. So let's now I write a ML code to generate agents. So first one, okay, have you built machine learning? So see how agents can generate. I want to today's project, I want to equals to code agents, because if you explain this before code, we are using code agents or not, guys? So the same code, I'm going to code agent here and enter. So tools equals to, I think, DuckDuckGo search tool. Okay. And I will square brackets. Okay. So model, I don't want model here. Let's remove this. And I'm using this as additional import. I want to import. Okay. Because every projects we required like pandas. I want to generate the tools code using pandas. Okay. And NumPy, and then sklearn, and then if any JSON file, let's create a JSON file as well. All right. And then here, let's fetch the model equals to tab. Great. So are you guys working? So here we import all the libraries. Here we just debug. So Light LLM you installed. I just call my API key. Now I connected Light LLM models with Gemini 1.5 Flash. Also, it is Light Large Language Model team. Okay. So I know if you're a beginner, little difficulty to understand because the subject is like that, and ML code agents, tools. Okay, we create a DuckDuck search tool, and this would help for, it will check from web search for ML reference. We will do web searches using DuckDuckGo search, and additional like pandas, NumPy, sklearn, JSONs we done, and model we created. Great. Let's try. Any error I'm getting here? No. Fantastic. So we done this now. Okay. So I will share this code. Let's create a functions where I want to create a functions to generate ML code. See, normally developers, what they do, guys, from ChatGPT, you are generate a code. I'm sorry. I mean, you write a code will generate or not. But in this prompt, I will try to, let's wait. I will generate ML underscore code, and I'll create a prompt here. I will create a prompt here, right? And in this prompt, okay, forget about written. Let's try to prompt ML code agent dot generate code. Okay, just wait. I want to create a full prompt and just wait here. I don't want f string. I want to write. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's great. Okay. I'm saying, I'm telling my, I'll assign some task, guys. Okay. You are an AI assistant, okay? Assistant helping with machine learning code. Machine learning code or code generations. Okay, that's fine. And I'm assigning a task. I want to complete below 7 steps in a structured 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 manner. So first step, I'm assigning to the load data set. Which data set I want to pass? Let's say I want to pass diabetic data sets. Let's say diabetic data set using, okay, let's put that any using sklearn. You know what is sklearn, team? If you have any URL, you can give the URL using sklearn, full stop. So I am telling my agents to give the task for me. I'm assigning a task to my agent. Okay. So here, okay, sorry, this is full underscore prompt, my bad. So you are an AI assistant helping me to generate a machine learning code. And this, please follow the below steps in structured manner. First step. The first step is load the diabetic dataset using sklearn. Okay. Second step is what do you do in machine learning? Okay, we're trying to say split the data into training and testing. So how much training? So I'm saying as, okay, let's open the bracket. I'm saying as 80% training, 80% train, or maybe train, and I can say 20% test. Okay, I can assign the instructions 80% test. This is my second task I'm telling to my agents. Now, third task, can you train? Okay, not 2-star. You can apply any uh, train a linear regressions model. Okay, that's great. I want to build a linear regressions model. Great. The fourth one, okay. The fourth one, I can say this as after build the model, find the best 3 features combination, 3 feature combinations. All right. So, and definitely we need to check RMSE or not. Lowest RMSE for the model, lowest RMSE for the model. Great. Also, fifth task, also I can cite find the R square and adjusted R square for the model. Great. Okay. So sixth task I'm assigning to, let's say, find the 3 features as done. And okay. Online team, are you understand or you left? Apply feature engineering. Okay. If required, if needed, if needed. Okay, great. So seventh step I'm assigning to the agent as here, list the top 5 models. Okay, based on start. No, it's not like that. We use everything, put them into the triple quotes, multi-string. All right. So because it's not, because we want to make a clear instructions rather than we confuse instructions, because when you explain to someone clearly, then only they can understand or not. The same way, you can think like that way. So list the top 5 models based on RMSE. That's okay. Based on RMSE. Eighth one, I can say like output the result. Okay, I want to display the result. Output the results in a detailed format, in a structured format. Okay. And then if possible, 9, can you plot the graph? Or we can say, let's say, plot the results. Okay. How many? So I can say like 9 steps. Enough. So guys, are you understand? Anyone machine learning here? I think most of any students who know machine learning, who doesn't know. So I'm just, what I'm doing, guys, I write a function. Okay. It's unable to understand RMSE, etc. Kavya, definitely you not understand, because without study +2, if I teach you +2 subjects, you can't understand, right, Kavya? So you have to study. So this is a beginner. Try to understand these subjects you will learn in upcoming classes. Okay. So great. After this, we done this. Okay. Next one. I'm trying to try. All right. And try. And I want to try as, let's say, response equals to ML code agents, because I created ML code agents, right? ML underscore code underscore agent. All right. Generate code. No. Code agents, not generate code. I want to try to run this code. Okay. And then return response, and then accept exception as E, because I want to see the error if any error is occur. Return, not exception. So here I want to pass as F string error, and I put them into a flag braces. Let's, as it is string, I want to put them as E. That's great. All right. So I'm going to remove this. Okay. I don't want this because we already done this here. Try to check this now. I define generate ML code. I think the spelling is wrong. GENERATE, GENERAT, generate ML code. This is full prompt. Okay. Now I want to assign the, how many tasks? 9 tasks to the agents. Let's execute. Great. I don't think so. Any error I got here? Okay, we assign to a full prompt. That's great. That's great. And then I want to write a try exceptional handling, just for all of us who doubt. Adi, you talk about yourself. Understand? RMSE is a root mean squared. It would be the, it's a matrix to use accuracy. Very good, Adi. Good. It's because if I want to explain RMSE, it have to take another subject, correct? So that's why, yeah, RMSE R squared, adjusted R squared. It is a machine learning concepts, guys. Okay, this is a Agentic AI workshop. So in this Agentic AI workshop, we'll cover Agentic AI itself. So if machine learning, all those things you have to learn. So that's why you have to attend, you have to join a full stack data science course to understand all the concepts in depth. So you have to spend time for learning, isn't it? Yes, Adi? ML code agent full prompt we done and execute. Now I want to create a Gradio UI. To create a Gradio UI, I just create a GR Gradio interface and linear, but every time not linear regressions, because see, what's your questions? Mahesh, you change your algorithm. Okay. Now what you do after the class, you change the code decision tree, you change the code LGBM. All right. You change the general neural network. You can give the task to agents. All right. Mahesh, GR interface. Let's create a function to generate ML code. We not try to write a, we're not building a machine learning model. I am trying my agents to generate a code for me. All right. And we, this is what generate, I mean, agentic AI session. Okay. I hope understand, Mahesh. Next, I'll take input. I want text, and then output also I want text, because, and I want to make a ML code generator, ML code generator using Gemini 1.5 flash model. All right. And then let's put a descriptions like Enter. Ramakrishna, you not understand, buddy. Did you join late? Did you join late? Okay. Yeah, that's the reason you didn't. So you watched the session little early because one of student asked, I already showed you what is generative AI versus agentic AI. Okay, please watch that. All right. Machine learning, coding task, and the AI will generate Python code. Okay, for you. Now this part is clear and great. This part is done. So we create a hugging face. I'm sorry, Gradio UI. Let me execute, and I create another code as iface dot launch. Great. Let's create it. We create a front end now. Let's create it. I want to just go up here and copy everything and go here. Let's paste and submit. Let's check. Let's check. Chat GPT, Ramakrishna, answer to your questions. If you ask to the Chat GPT, generate machine learning model, it will give a code, guys. But if you ask a specific task, it won't give you that. So that's why I already told you, I already showed the code before, how exactly it works. Do you check this, guys? So this is a front end. And what we done here, Mohit Verma said, please tell me about best codes for non-IT. Non-IT, don't join any codes, buddy. Venki, I'll share this code. The student who non-IT, every time they will crying, non-IT, 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 all right? Okay, why we got error? Just one moment, why I got error? Let me check this. Okay, one moment. I will talk to you, just give me some time. Why I got this error here? Okay, just do one thing. Okay, after if I try to just remove, okay, utils.py, docs provides, no problem. I think just try to here, maybe plot the results. I think, okay, so let me try this generate model prompt and let's check the error message. Just one moment, I'll talk to you. Error in LLM output, not found Vertex AI exceptions, not found API. Okay, Gemini 1. Flash models, Gemini 1.5 Flash is not found. Okay, can you check this, guys? Just one moment. Go to the code and import statement. Import GNE RAT. No, we can use your Gemini Pro, I think. Can you try this? So in the meantime, okay, I want to check the Flash model because Gemini 1.5 Flash is a light model, guys. So spelling mistake in prompt, is it? Okay, great. Let me check that. Just one moment. Just one moment. So here, so okay. So where is the spelling mistakes, guys? To Gemini 1.5 Flash. No. If you're not required, then how do you think it will fetch the data? File save all. Okay. Let me check where exactly. Where do you think spell mistakes, anyone? Light LLM, Gradio, Code Agent, DuckDuckGo. Okay, LITE, Light. Okay, LLM model, import. Okay, in prompt, Gemini. Just wait. We will see. We will get this error. GNERATIVE AI Agent. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay. Now light LLM, sir, is correct. No, that's fine. That's fine. It will take like that. If I remove Gemini, then it is bug. That's okay. Light LLM dot debug mode turn on. So that's why you got that error key GVY. I think this part also fine. API key. Now Gemini 1.5 point flash not allow. So okay, wait. I will try to just restart, restart, and restart and run all. Let's do things one more time. I want to check this. Okay, light model ID. Second, guys. Okay. Okay, let me open this, or maybe the same things I will submit one more time. Try this. Try this. Try this. We just wait for some time. And in the meantime, okay. See, we should get. So okay. Check this now. Any bug? I think, yeah, it's got output. Did you check this now? Do you see my code is generating or not? Have you noticed this, team? Have you noticed this? Now import pandas as PD, load diabetic, and you check this. Great. My system generate the code. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Isn't it? Yes or no? Check this one. Now let's go to the output, and output has generate the score. Let's copy. This is what. So how many of them understand? So it's a powerful or not, team? Now, if you have this code, you no need to depends anyone, any LLMs. You got like R squared, you got like adjusted R squareds, all those things. Amazing. Now you can build your all the task yourself. Understand, team, how agent works. So what I'm gonna do, let me copy same thing I'll ask to ChatGPT now. Okay. Let me go to, how many of them understand? How many of them understand? How many of them understand, guys? So Mahesh, clear, great this. So did you refer to this now? So you got all these accuracies. See here, it generate. So, but understand, using the framework, it can fetch the LLM models and generate the responses, isn't it? Exactly, Venkat. So that's the way. So that's the reason my many students got placed under the training program. And here you got the clarity here. You got the clarity here. Can I put everything in the GitHub and I can share to you so that you can start working? So that you can start working. Can I share all this code? Please answer me. Please answer me. Only one people are answer. No, Kavya, it's not spell mistake. Yes, just one moment. So let me file save all. One moment. Control S. So refer to the GitHub. And don't leave. I'll have few things to cover now. And let's create a GitHub. And in this GitHub, so create a new repositories. Yeah, I'm sharing all the notes new, and let's create as the repositories called. So guys, please like it, because every week I'm trying to bring up new subjects, because got it. Great. Got it. Ramakrishna, you understand now. So for example, I can say small agents, agentic AI. All right. We built machine learning code generator agents. Okay. Which interact with Gemini LLM or any LLMs, guys. Gemini LLM. Okay. So just save that file, public, create repositories. Okay. One moment. Let me, okay, upload an existing file. Just choose file. Just go to desktop. So I'll save this code, open everything here. Agentic AI PPT. And also I will share the YouTube, okay, live videos as well. Commit changes. Just go to the commit changes. Oh, okay. I think, wait guys, because here it is take the API keys, right? So that's why it is saying to please remove the API key. I will remove my Hugging Face, enter your API key here. All right, guys. Now Control S. Let's close. And ML code agents, because it's saying to remove API key. GitHub is very powerful. Okay. Enter your API key here. Control S. Let's close. Let's minimize. And then go to this code. Cancel it. I'll cancel it. Let's choose your file one more time. And just close. Save. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Don't save. And here I will share. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me upload all the files along with these notes so that you don't need to be face any issues. Control S and open now. Give me 2 minutes. I hope it works. And also, yeah, yes, Venkat, running notes also I'm sharing. Oh, it's take more time. It should be work by the time. Great. It's going on. Just wait. So you need to be download 2 code. Okay. And there are few previous playlist also I'm sharing. This repositories has very good content. So please, secret founding Hugging Face user access tokens. No, it's a false positive. I'll fix later. Allow secrets. Yeah. Do you see this, guys? And commit changes. Add some file, include this commit. You still have Gemini API key. Is it? Cancel. Why it's not taking in the code? Gemini API key is there. Let's check. Enter Google API key. No, I removed it. Nobody. I just removed this. That's fine. And small agents, wait. No, I just removed it. Okay. Everything, I'll removed it. First, go to the code and let me close this. Just one moment. I'm just uploading few files. open this first. Great. Commit changes. Okay, great. Now, can you please, I'll copy and share to everyone. Okay, can you please download this file, guys? Can you please download the file? And also, let me add all other files as well. Choose your file. Okay, in my class notes, it has, guys. That's why. Understand? Great. Now I got it. Okay. So that's the reason. Clear? So what happened? I explained the class notes, right? If you listen to this one has the code. So that's why it is not accepting. Did you notice? Let me delete the API key as well. Let's delete the API key as well. So this is the reason it is not accepting. So that's why everyone must has this account notepad. So let me refer to the notepad. So I don't think so notepad would be an important, but still, as you're asking, let me share this. Can you please check upload file and just choose your file here, SmolAgents notes, commit changes. Done. How many of them completed? Please let me know. Also, I want to just refer this YouTube live link, guys. So add readme and follow the below YouTube link, and guys, do not forget like and comment and subscribe to the Naresh IT and share to your friends, guys. Let's commit changes, download code. Okay, so guys, are you understand? Did you clear now? I hope this is the file I'll share to you. You can happily download them and work. If you allow me, there's a few things. Also, let me open one code. There's another documents I want to explain to you before I wind up for today. The explain is, okay, we done all those things, guys. Use case small agents, we build projects. And if you see this diagram slideshow from current slides, so AI, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, generative AI. This is everything you have to learn to become an expert on this. And no attribute LNCH. No, you have to do it properly, Karthik. Don't work immediately. Okay. And also, did you see you find all this 6 playlist, guys? You can watch it playlist. If you're not my students, you can watch the playlist and lot of projects which helps you to crack your jobs as well. All right, like I build RAG models, Llama models, Meta models, and Gemini models, lot of things. Yeah, I already shared my playlist in here. You can refer to this YouTube playlist. Please copy them, select it, click it, you found it. All right, guys, this one. Also, I want to discuss, okay, listen to me, guys. The one who already completed, maybe you do it later. If you not do, after the class, you can follow that. But amazing practicals we developed today. If you notice this code, in the code, we created a nice UI where it created the code generations. I think I'm closed it. I have to rerun again. Just app.py. So let's run all. I already shared, Mahesh. I already shared the links. So I request everyone. So hello, sir. Which cert is good to generative AI? Which sats are good for Krishna? No sat is required. Skill is required. I never depends on certificates. Skill set is very important. Okay. Skill set is very important. Remember this one. All right, guys. And also, many people are confused. Today, I'll give you a clarity slideshow from current slides. Okay, so guys, anyway, today YouTube recorded. Yes, Sudhakar, it is recorded. You can watch it. Nice session, Sandeep. Great. I wanted to give a clarity. What is data science? What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? What is NLP? What is deep learning? What is neural network? What is generative AI? What is large language model? What is prompt engineering? What is agentic AI? This is all this is all things you have to understand one by one. So just allow me 10 minutes. I just make a nice presentations about this. What is data science? Data scientists are those who, okay, is a process using data to find insights, make decisions, and solve problems. If you're a data scientist, you must has to be combinations. Math is required. In mathematics, you need to know about scalar, vectors, distance metrics, all right, and probability, cosine similarity, all those things. Statistics, descriptive, inferential, and then advanced stats, programming, Python programming, and domain knowledge to understand data. And being a data scientist, you collect the data from databases, APIs, customer purchase history, browsing patterns, all those things. Clean the data, build models to predict decisions, understand what data scientists can do. Pretty clear? Okay, what is data scientist means? Next, what is meant by artificial intelligence? AI, human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Human intelligence, human God intelligence by God. So these intelligence we assign to the machines with the help of frameworks, and we write some Python code, then your machines will be smart enough to act like human guys. So AI is the technology which mimic human intelligence. AI, computers learn, think like humans to solve problems, recognize patterns, and make decisions, isn't it? So when you're so happy, your machines will create an emoji, your happy emoji, isn't it? So machines understand your feelings there. So voice assistants like Siri, Alexa understand the respond to your voice. Self-driving car. In self-driving car, the if the road is little turn left or right, so the automated self-driving car can detect the signals and try to turn the car based on the road scenario. Recommendation systems, if you watch action movies in Netflix, so only AI will recommend only action categories movies. AI makes machines smart so they can help in everyday tasks, guys. Clear? This is all about artificial intelligence. Machine learning, machines learns from historical data. Okay, machine learns, computers learns from historical data, and machine will help computers every time. In machine learning we use training and testing phases. Do you remember, guys, in school days we write a 10th class exam or board exam, we train the brain. We have a many books, the books contains question and answers, isn't it? Before you write a test, the books contain question and answers. You read a question and you read an answer. You build a model, that's called training phase. In exam hall, you test the exam hall. If you train well, you got a good accuracy. That's called model has training phases, testing phases. And in real time we use spam filter. I mean, in you never ever find out when you receive an email in Google, today you win 10 crore lottery, it immediately went to the spam email, isn't it? So those all comes from these machine learning concepts as well. Natural language processing. S- One time training is enough for ML systems. Yeah. ML is not a hard topic. It's very easy. Natural language. So what is language? When I talking to you, it is a language, guys. Language is nothing but a text. So in NLP helps computers to read, write, talk. So what's up? We talk to someone or not? The text is creates. To, to, to work with those type of text, we have a NLP technique, natural language processing. In NLP, the machines can read and understand the text. AI process words and sentences. It identifies key informations, context, and emotions. All right. Deep learning. So deep learning is the type of ML where computers learn from data using multiple neurons, like human brain, how the human brain works. So the same way it works, guys, in deep learning. So I will mention detailed concepts of what exactly do. You can refer the slides and understand these things, team. Pretty clear, guys. And this is all the links I given to you for this 6 links which contains more than 50 videos. So whenever you have free time, you can watch it. So I hope you really like these sessions, guys. I hope you really like these sessions. Please answer me. I already shared it, guys. Can you please follow the GitHub link? Can you please follow the GitHub link? And I want whoever attend today's session till last, I appreciate your time. And I just want you to go to YouTube and NareshIT.com and NareshIT.com. In NareshIT, you can see the first page. Just refer to the first one, SmolAgents. Please log into this account and comment your feedback and just liked it, guys, and share to your friends, which motivates to bring up more sessions. Okay, pretty clear, guys. So the next batch, whenever starts, we'll get back to you. It will start by next month. Okay, you can connect to the admin or you can catch me on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn ID. You can ping me on LinkedIn. All right, team. Great. I see the nice content. Any prerequisites? No prerequisites required. Just attend the class. Previous video links, content is good. Very good, Praveen, Deepak. So can I expect a comments and likes from you guys? I appreciate it. And please share this documents to your friends and please share these things to your friends and you can okay, so this is what you can refer to this one. All right, guys. I hope you're clear. So that's it for today. And any questions, I'll respond. If not, I will what will be the class. I don't know, Kiran. You just wait for that time. Okay, Praveen, no problem. You can please provide class notes. Well, Ajay, I already posted the class notes. Did you I'll share it again, the GitHub. Can you please copy the GitHub? One second. I'll share the GitHub to you. Just okay. Did you copy the GitHub, guys? And also, please watch this live recording as well. Okay, this one. So you can copy them. Also, you can share this link to your friends and you can, these are good topics, guys. You can mention these learnings in your resume as well. You can mention small agents and light LLMs. You can connect with Quen, okay, because these small agents has internally inbuilt with Quen model. All right. So thank you. Any more questions? Any more questions which I'm interested in? RAG model. RAG model already covered. You can go and watch it. Praveen, understand? Trying to do some home labs. Do it. Okay, thanks. All right, so we create a nice end-to-end app we build, and previous link I posted. If you see, guys, I'll tell you why you have so confused. I'll share this link. If you go to the docs, do you see the PPT? Are you able to find out the PPT? Okay, do you see small agents text? PPT is not here. No docs, guys. Agents doc, agentic AI dot PPT. Can you open the PPT? When you open the PPT, download the PPT, everyone. Just go and download the PPT here. Do you see this is the download PPT? Once you download the PPT, you will download this options. And second one, only YouTube playlist is there. Okay. Okay, guys. Now you can see that the first one is resume building bootcamp. Second one is agentic AI. If you select this now, if you select this playlist, you will get 4 videos we have. Do you see agentic AI, agentic AI? An amazing playlist, guys. You can have LangChain agents, Crew AI, and 5 framework. Today is we build as which one we called as like small agents. And let's see in futures if you supports, then we can create more workshops. If not, then okay. So see you, and that's it for today. And any more questions, I can happy to take your questions. If not, ping me in LinkedIn if you have any queries. Connect to our Naresh IT admin if you have any query. All right. Yeah. Also, I think we have a group. You can join the group as well. Okay. LinkedIn ID, you can go and get the LinkedIn ID from here. Just one moment. Okay. So let's copy and okay, team. So thank you so much and happy weekends and goodbye. Bye, guys. Thanks. Alexa, how can I get note? Ajay, you got the note now? Ajay, you got the notes? Yes. Thank you.